Hello, America. This is Keith, your Philly Neighborhood Technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to go over some routine maintenance of a microwave that most people forget about. Okay, yes, most people go in and they do the wipe out nice of the inside, they clean up all the inside, but one of the things they forget is the filter underneath. And what I mean by that is if you look up under here, you're going to see a little grease filter. This is not for odors, this is not for things like that. It's basically just for grease. So it'll pop out, you pull it down, and you pop it out. And a lot of times, like I said, this is going to basically to keep grease and stuff from splattering up. Now, if you've got this much room, it's probably not going to be that heavily. But some microwaves are way down here like this. So if you do a lot of splattering, these things are going to get taken care of or get all icky and nasty. Now, what you can do is, Dawn works really, really well on grease. Get yourself some hot water, get some Dawn in there, throw it in there, let them sit. It'll degrease the thing. You'll be okay. Okay, if not, you can scrub a little bit. Don't push real hard because these they're not real solid. So they're really easily breakable. So like I said, just throw them in the water, let them sit, rinse them off, you're good to go. But most people forget about these when they clean their microwaves. So this is something to think about, an easy tip to help the airflow, because this is where your air comes in when it starts to blow out and around. If this is clogged up, your fan's not going to work well, you're not going to get a lot of pull out of all the smoke and stuff that you want to try and get out of your house via your microwave. So don't forget to look at these. Like I said, they're up underneath here, and there's a couple different designs, but it's basically the same thing. Slide it in, slide it up. Whoop, let's get it the right way, and boom, you're done. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good week. Bye.